Hello everyone. So now we're going to start a numerical based on gravitation topic with IE Rudolph. Okay. So this is basically the numerical, and the numerical number is 1.22 1.200. So you can match this with a book. So the question says that a planet of mass m moves along a circle. A planet of mass m moves along a circle around the sun with velocity v 35.9 kilometer per second relative to heliocentric reference frame. Find the period of revolution of this planet around the sun. Okay, so in this question you must have to suppose that this is a sun, okay, and this is a planet. So many of the students will directly think that see a planet of mass m moves in a circle around the sun. So this is a planet, and they will consider its mass to be capital M. But actually this is wrong. Okay, so you must know that yeah, this question has some mistake. The mass m is not for this planet. The mass m will be considered for sun, and for this planet we will consider the mass small m. Okay, so now we will be easily solving this question. Okay, and so let me use eraser and remove this thing. Okay, now let me start it. So this is basically small m, and this will be considered as capital M. Okay, so we know that the time period revolution is for circular kind of thing is 2 pi r by v, which is its velocity. Suppose it's revolving. Sorry, it's revolving around this sun in a circular orbit of radius. Let me do like this. Yeah, of from center. Sorry, from center. We consider like this. This is a center. So from this center to, suppose this is the center. So this is our radius, circular tracks radius, okay? And if it's rotating, if it's revolving around the sun, say in the anti-clockwise direction, so you can say that its velocity v will be, its velocity v, which is the basically tangential velocity is considered as v. So this is that tangential velocity. So its time period formula will be given by this equation, which is this 2 pi r by v. This is first equation. Okay. So let us also we know that by by conservation, no, not by conservation. We know that for a circular track, F net centripetal force is equals to mv square by r. Okay. So here you can see that in this sun is there, the r is the radius of the track. So if we say that m, okay, so the gravitational force will come into play. So it means that the gravitational force will act as a centripetal force for the planet to be in a circular track. Okay, so this is g capital M upon, we say that we know that this gravitational force is equals to g m upon r square. Okay, r is the radius between, that is the distance between planet and the sun, and this is equals to mv square by r. Okay, v is basically tangential velocity of planet. Okay, so this will be another equation. This will be another equation. So if we'll see the first equation, if we substitute r from first equation to this second equation, then we can find like this: r is equals to tv upon 2 pi. Okay, this is basically r. If we substitute this r here, do we get something? So in the question we need is, it's asked the period of revolution. Okay, so t is asked here. Okay, so t we need to find. So what we can do is, we will solve the second equation first. Okay, so we are going to solve second equation first. Yeah, so we are going to solve second equation first. So cancel r, I will use red pen. Cancel r, and r, 1 r will remain, small m will cancel out. So this will come out to be gm upon r v square. So from here we can take r, which will be equals to, implies that r is equals to gm by v square. Now we can substitute this r in first equation, which is basically time period is equals to 2 pi r by v. Okay. So R, if I am substituting this R here, so after the substitution, this time period will come out to be 2 pi gm by v multiplied by v squared, which stands out to be 2 pi gm v cube. So this is the required answer of this numerical. So time period of a revolution of a planet around the sun is equals to 2 pi gm by v cube. Now you can substitute the value v is given as here in kilometer per second, which is basically 34.9 kilometer per second. So if I'm substituting this here, v is equals to 34.9 kilometer per second, and g we know that is equals it has its values. It is a universal gravitational constant. Okay, so you can check it out its value. By the way, in Iridium, it's G is having its notification like this, like something like Young's modulus. Okay, so M you can substitute the mass of the sun, and V I have told already that's 34.9 kilometer per second, and you will get the time period of revolution. Okay, so next numerical we will solve in next lecture.